everybody, welcome back to Clean Eating Kitchen. If you're new here, I am Carrie, and my channel is all about helping women with chronic disease live vibrantly and recover your health and feel your best. So today I'm making a super easy lemon vegetable quinoa salad. We're actually gonna make it all in the Instapot, so it's an easy one-pot meal. I love it for a lunch or even a dinner in the summer. It's really perfect, or taking it to a potluck or when I'm on the road. So let me show you exactly how I made it. First, let's gather up our ingredients. We'll need 1 cup of uncooked quinoa, 1 red bell pepper, 1 or 2 lemons, avocado oil, cucumbers, dried cranberries, pumpkin seeds, and salt and pepper. First, we need to rinse our uncooked quinoa. This really is an essential step whenever you're making quinoa. You just use a fine mesh sieve and run it under the sink until the quinoa runs clear. Before we do anything else, let's get the quinoa cooking in the Instapot. We'll add the rinsed quinoa to the inner pot of the Instapot along with our 1 cup of water, or you could also use vegetable broth if you like for extra flavor. Then we're just going to set the Instapot to 1 minute on high pressure. And you can set the pressure release to natural release and just hit start. While the quinoa is cooking in the Instapot, we're gonna get all our vegetables and all the other goodies that we're gonna put into the salad ready. So I like to use organic red bell peppers and cucumbers and then just give them a nice rinse in a colander so they're nice and clean. After we've washed the bell pepper and the cucumbers, I like to cut them up into pretty small pieces so that when we eventually make the salad, we just get like a little bite of vegetable in each bite. And so first we cut up the red bell pepper, and then I like to cut up the cucumbers, and I'm using these small Persian cucumbers, and so you really don't need to peel Persian cucumbers. They're pretty easy to digest, but if you prefer, you can use an English cucumber. In that case, you probably should peel an English cucumber. Those are the traditional bigger cucumbers that you see. Again, these small Persian cucumbers, you really don't need to peel them. One of my favorite parts of this salad is to use some really salty olives that I like to cut up into small pieces. Once the Instapot is done cooking, we know the quinoa is ready, so we can remove the lid after about 10 minutes of natural pressure release. And I always use an oven mitt to prevent getting burned. After we take off the lid, I just like to use a big spoon or a fork to fluff the quinoa a little bit and take off any that's stuck to the bottom. And then we're just gonna add everything that we've chopped. So the bell pepper and the cucumber and the olives, and then just stir it all in. We can add the olive oil at this point, as well as the pumpkin seeds and the dried cranberries, and all of these flavors are just gonna come together so nicely. And it's so great that it's all in one pot. I've added some salt and pepper, and then we're gonna add our lemon juice, and you could use 1 or 2 fresh lemons. It's just gonna add so much brightness and flavor, along with the olive oil makes a nice little dressing to this salad. And I think you're really gonna love it, and you can just serve it right out of the pot. And this recipe will stay in the refrigerator for up to about 4 or 5 days. It's just really so fresh and bright and perfect for summer. That was easy, don't you think? This is one of my favorite salads. It has sweetness from the dried cranberries and the olives and a little bit of sea salt. Add a lot of salty flavor, and then we have the crunch of the vegetables. It's super delicious and satisfying, and I hope you love it as much as I do. It's perfect. See you next time.